In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Zendesk. So in order to do that, we actually need to use a official integration system, which on this case are the marketplace. So head over to your marketplace of your HubSpot by clicking on this marketplace icon and clicking on HubSpot Marketplace. Once you're in there, click onto the search bar and proceed to search right here for Zendesk. Here's Zendesk right here, so click on this. Once you're in there, click on this install option. Then it should be able to take you to this tab wherein it will ask for a Zendesk subdomain. So it can be subdomain.zendesk.com. So this is an example of this. Like input right here are Zendesk domain. Click on I agree and click on this authorize. If they find this particular subdomain, they should be able to actually authorize the connection of your Zendesk into your actual HubSpot. You will also be asked to sign in by adding in your email and password, and once you're signed in, you should be able to integrate it successfully. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.